Hi there, I'm Chris Kennedy-Sloan, one of the business consultants here at Vendavo. The report is a result of surveying over 300 CFOs and general managers in the manufacturing and distribution space. So it's a really huge distillation of industry knowledge and understanding. So there are 5 key takeaways that we thought were most important that were highlighted as being critical to our respondents. Takeaway number 1. A volatile global economy is causing manufacturers and distributors to shift their financial strategies to a mix of strong partnerships, smart pricing, and advanced sales and incentive initiatives. We all know the power of discounting, but consumers and customers are getting wise to the concept. They're expecting discounts, they're expecting the artificially high list price and consequent discount chain reductions. We know a lot of procurement departments are compensated on the value of percentage and absolute discounts. And that's why businesses are moving more towards controlled, regulated customer behavior enhancers like rebate programs and partner optimization programs to manage this volatility and improves the ability of businesses to incentivize the style of business that works best for them. Takeaway number 2, rebate programs drive revenue. The fact of the matter is that rebate programs just work better. The after-the-fact rewarding of that behavior prevents that classic, we promise we'll buy 1 million units in a year, but we need that discount up front for this 1,000-unit order. Early payment incentives only pay out if that customer actually pays early. And stocking rebates only pay out if the distributor actually holds the stock they say they will. So the efficiency of these programs is hugely improved versus, your standard 20, 30, 50% off discounts. Takeaway number 3. Rebate programs are painfully inefficient. They're not easy to do. You need to be able to receive, review and report on distributor or customer stock levels to actually ensure that the program terms are being met. And what that means is that their implementation is limited. The business says, okay, yes, we accept rebates are great, but you can't use them everywhere. And so that limits their usefulness too. Takeaway number 4. Error-prone manual processes perpetuate inefficiency and increase risk. So doing this sort of tracking manually is just frankly inefficient. Not only that, but discounting and rebates can be audit nightmares. You don't want to fall on the wrong side of accruals, financial reporting around liabilities, or even worse, competition commissions. So management is naturally really cautious here. And takeaway number 5, AI implementation is challenge number 1. Using AI successfully in business can often be challenging, particularly in the first implementation of it. However, taking rebates to the next level could really be smoothed by the pattern matching and data management offered by the growth in AI and machine learning. I can envisage a rebate management system highlighting customers with lagging growth and suggesting additional incentives, as well as calculating potential costs and incremental revenue and margin available as a result. That's where rebate management with AI will really take off. If you want to know more about how leading manufacturers and distributors are scaling their rebate management strategies and growing more profitably, download your copy of the 2024-2025 Top Growth Drivers Report for manufacturing and distribution to find out.